You're comfortably settled at home, sipping a hot cup of chai as your phone buzzes every few minutes. With each buzz, another $5 lands in your account. No, this isn't a scammy YouTube ad, a crypto cult pitch, or one of those click here to get rich schemes. This is a real-world breakdown of how everyday people are earning $5 every 3 minutes in short bursts using nothing but Wi-Fi, a device, and a bit of spare time. It's not fantasy. It's the gig economy of 2025, and it's open to anyone willing to dive in. Before you shout, "Scam alert," hold tight. There's no course to buy, no sales funnel, and no dream being sold here. Just data-backed, user-tested platforms that are genuinely putting dollars into people's pockets, sometimes faster than they can finish their tea. Let's dig into what works and what's just digital smoke and mirrors. The hype versus the reality. Is $5 every 3 minutes possible? Let's clear the air early. Making $5 every 3 minutes, non-stop, all day long, is unrealistic unless you've cloned yourself and automated your soul. That kind of constant cash flow exists more in sci-fi than in side hustles. However, earning that amount in short bursts, say through a high-paying survey, a UX testing session, or an affiliate sign-up, is not just possible. It's happening every day. Realistically, people who combine the right platforms strategically can earn anywhere between $20 and $100 per hour, depending on the task type, platform availability, and their level of consistency. While you're not going to stumble into thousands overnight, a steady mix of legit opportunities can generate serious side income even for total beginners. So yes, the famous $5 every 3 minutes claim isn't entirely fantasy, it's achievable, but in waves, not as a continuous stream. Surveys. The digital opinion goldmine of 2025. Surveys are the low-hanging fruit of the online income tree. They're quick, simple, and surprisingly rewarding. Take platforms like Inbox Dollars, Branded Surveys, and Toluna. They've all made a name in 2025 for delivering real money to real people, sometimes within hours. Inbox Dollars still gives a free $5 sign-up bonus, and surveys range from 50 cents to $5 each. That means in less than 10 minutes, you could already be sipping on your next latte, paid for by answering questions about cereal brands. Branded Surveys, meanwhile, allows you to earn up to $5 per short survey. Reddit threads from 2025 show users making over $100 a month just by filling out 3 surveys daily. User testing. Get paid just to complain, politely. Imagine being paid $10 just to use a website and say, this button is confusing. That's the joy of user testing platforms like User Testing and User Interviews. These platforms connect companies with everyday people like you to test websites, mobile apps, or product concepts. And they pay well for your typically $10 for a 10 to 20-minute test. Even better, platforms like Respondent have exploded in popularity in 2025. Here, users get invited to participate in research interviews, giving opinions or feedback on digital tools, concepts, or even packaging design. These gigs can pay anywhere from $50 to $150 per session, depending on your profile and the client's budget. One Reddit user reported earning $147 in just 1 week through a combination of testing and research gigs alone. Let's be honest. It feels pretty good to nitpick someone's website and get paid for it. Microtasking, the $5 per hour machine that adds up fast. If surveys and user testing aren't your jam, try microtasking. Sites like ClickWorker, FreeCash, and Amazon Mechanical Turk let you complete bite-sized jobs like tagging images, translating short phrases, or writing descriptions. The average hourly rate varies, but many users report earning $5 to $9 an hour consistently. ClickWorker remains a favorite in 2025 thanks to its global accessibility and flexible task options. FreeCash has also exploded, with payouts starting at just 10 cents. Users can earn by watching videos, playing games, testing apps, and referring friends. Trustpilot reviews remain strong, and Redditors report that FreeCash offers the fastest payouts of any microtask site in 2025. mTurk, Amazon's original microtask platform, is still alive and kicking. Passive income, links, referrals, and easy wins. Let's talk about making money while doing absolutely nothing, everyone's dream, right? The closest you can get online is through affiliate programs and link monetization. In 2025, platforms like ShrinkMe and Updo Forever are still letting users earn by sharing shortened links. For every 1,000 clicks, you can earn anywhere from $2 to $5. Share a viral meme or useful download link in a Facebook group, and boom, passive income trickles in. Then there's the Audible affiliate program, which pays $5 for every person who signs up for a free trial via your link. It's one of the best low-effort income streams out there. AI-powered freelancing, the 2025 power move. Now, here's where things get seriously exciting. With the rise of AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Pictory, and others, freelancing in 2025 has completely transformed. You no longer need to be a master coder, seasoned designer, or professional copywriter to offer high-quality services. With just a basic understanding of AI tools, you can start selling valuable digital products or services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, and even Gumroad. People everywhere are leveraging these tools to write video scripts, generate blog content, design social media posts, or create YouTube faceless content, and they're making hundreds to thousands of dollars each month doing it. Real earnings, what people are actually making in 2025. Reddit is full of stories from people who are stacking survey platforms, user testing gigs, and affiliate marketing. One user in r/beer money shared their May 2025 haul. $525 from Swagbucks, $209 from Discount, $22 from Upside, and a few bucks from CoinOut and other apps. Strategy: how to make your first $100 fast. If you're new to this game, start small. Create accounts on 2 survey sites. Inbox Dollars and branded surveys are great. Sign up for user testing or Respondent and start completing a few tasks on Clickworker or FreeCash. You may not earn anything immediately, but over the next few days, a few clicks can turn into real payouts. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to turn your scroll time into side income, don't forget to hit that like button, smash subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss another money-making tip. Catch you in the next one, and may your chai stay hot and your PayPal stay full.